What did you say, Jake? What did you say to Grandma?
Football.
He might like that position, huh?
But when I get it on the computer, you can turn it over.
Oh, look at that.
Is that tummy getting
So sweet.
I thought if you got settled down, I'd take a picture of the three of you and then
What
the
did
fourth
you say,
generation
Jake?
one.
Yeah, there you go. I keep telling them we need some of those, and we haven't really gotten any yet.
I will do one if you can.
You know what? I was doing this. I remember when I had Alan. He was about this age, and we went, my folks and Alan and I don't know who else, but we went to visit Paul and Opal Peoples, and he was fussy, Alan was, and I was sitting in a chair there and doing this. I was doing this, or
I noticed that when I was little.
patting kind of hard here, and it settled him down, you know, but Paul's sister was there, and she looked at me and she said, "My goodness," she said, you're sure hard on that baby. You're hitting him so hard." And I said, "It don't hurt him. He likes it." And he did.
My kids used to like that.
Yeah.
I told you, June Banker always told me boys like to get patted real hard. Nice, firm pat.
Did you see that one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. We know, don't we, Jake? Yeah.